Okay guys, I will show you how to make influencer photos like this for completely free, unlimited number of times. I've made this kind of video before, but I will do this one step by step so it's easier. Now first thing you will need to do is download ComfyUI. So you can just go ahead and search ComfyUI in your Google browser or whatever you use. Click the first thing and click on download here. Now it will give you a few options. You are Windows or Mac, or you can directly go from GitHub. I'm doing this video from Mac, so I will be doing download for Mac. If you are using Windows, you can do Windows. It's exactly the same. So just go ahead and click download for Mac here and save. And next thing you need is Git. So you can search Git download. Once you do that, you have to come to this link here and just click on downloads. If you are on Windows, it will automatically show you download for Windows. I'm on Mac, so I'll download for Mac here. Okay, I have written this code here which was given by that website to download. If you are using Mac, you can just copy and paste this code and paste it into your CMD, and then this will do its thing. If you are on Windows, you can check my other videos. I will leave it in the link below on how to download and install ComfyUI. It's a very simple video, easy to download. You can do that one. Okay, once this is done, we will go and install ComfyUI. Once you click on install for ComfyUI, it will start downloading some of the things. It will do it for both Windows and Mac, but if you want specifically for Windows, once again check the link in the description below. Okay, now I have downloaded this ComfyUI as you can see here. Now to create those AI influencer or OnlyFans model, what you need to do is you have to go here and workflow on the top left, and you have to go browse templates, and in this one just come to image section first, and this quen to image. So quen image, text to image, this is the one you want to use, as this is the one with uncensored everything and it's very accurate. So we will go ahead and click this one. Once you do that, it will give you three options. You need to download all of this or this will not run. So I will click on download and I will start recording once it's downloaded. Okay, once it has completed downloading, it should look something like this. And as you can see, I'm back on Windows because it was taking way too long for my Mac to download this. If you have a good internet connection, it should download pretty fast though. So once this is downloaded, you need to give it a prompt, but you can't just write anything. Let's say you want a model to promote shoes or something like that. You can't write a model holding a shoebox. You won't get appropriate results. What you have to do is you have to go to ChatGPT and you need to ask it to describe the model completely from head to toe and everything like this. So we will go ahead and do that now. Okay, so what I have done is I have asked ChatGPT to make her hold Nike shoes and in the same background. You have to make sure that you are giving it what's the background of the picture, because otherwise it will be just plain white background of your model. I've asked ChatGPT to have a model holding a pair of shoes and what needs to be the background, how she needs to dress and everything. Just remember, you have to ask it everything, otherwise it just won't do it properly. And here you can set height and width you like, so I'm gonna do 720 by 1280. Once you put in a few prompts, you will know what I'm talking about when I say you have to put the exact prompt, because you will see the clothes are not proper, the background is not good enough, or the product they are holding is not good enough. So you can go back and forth with ChatGPT and you can make adjustment accordingly. Now you can also make these model completely uncensored and you can use them for patrons or OnlyFans as well, but I can't show you here since this is YouTube and video can get taken down. But you can put the prompt accordingly and you will get the results accordingly. As you can see, I've already used one prompt and I asked it to make an influencer in a gaming room with some RGB in the background, and she needs to hold a board. It should say AI influencer. So ChatGPT just wrote a prompt something like that and we got a good result. You can ask ChatGPT to remember, if you like the model, you can ask ChatGPT to remember the characteristics of the model and you can save it as model 1. This way, when you want the same model to promote something else, it will be the same characteristics and you don't need to worry about not having a consistent character. So since we have told ChatGPT to have everything else the same, just hold Nike shoes instead of the board, it will make sure that everything else, all the characteristics are the same, and we will see how much it matches. Okay, it has done processing and you can say she is in fact holding a Air Force Ones. Now, if you want a different color shoes or if you want anything else, you can put it in the prompt or ask ChatGPT. But as we can see from the pictures, it's exactly the same. I can't tell the difference, and I don't think anyone else can tell the difference. You can use this method and generate unlimited number of models for whatever business you are doing, and this is also completely free. Now I've mixed the download of Mac and Windows in this video, but you don't need to worry about it. If you want complete download of Windows, I will leave a link in the description below on how you can download it for Windows. Just go ahead and watch that videos, or it's exactly the same of what I did in starting. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.